Why it's possible. Alignment with FFC core. Your original script already uses FFC clamping, Axiom 2, finite time extinction, and eternal rest detractors, Axiom 3. The retrocausality addendum, Axioms A1 and A2, adds temporally indexed constraints, future boundaries, e.g., desired final loss or safety metrics that induce backward effective balance terms during evolution. No paradox. As proven in Theorem 3.1, this doesn't allow past signaling. It just modifies trajectories via balance corrections, strengthening invulnerability. Remark A1. Practical benefit. In DPSO optimization, retrocausality can simulate pulling the population toward future stable states, improving convergence, reducing oscillations, and enhancing safety, e.g., enforcing future bell-like correlations for robustness. Categorical fit. In FFC Infinity Cat, this is a bidirectional cone, diagram 2. Forward evolution plus backward balance morphisms.in short. Retrocausality enhances the script by making the optimization constraint-aware across time, leading to faster, more stable training.